Happy Friday!
Happy Friday.
Happy Friday!
Happy Friday!
Happy Friday!
Happy Friday!
Hi everyone, my name is Miss Megan. Welcome to my kitchen. Today, we're going to learn how to make fruit smoothies. So first thing you want to do is, you want to wash your hands, which I already did. Then you're going to look and see what fruit you have around. I like to buy fruit on sale, so sometimes I'll cut it and then freeze it until I'm ready to use it. But today, I had a banana that was getting kind of gross. So I had to cut out the bad spots, and then I had some strawberries, so I cut up those too. I cut up a banana and probably about 4 strawberries. So I'm going to put that in my blender. Next, I'm going to add a little bit of peanut butter. I really like strawberry banana and peanut butter together. I just think it's a delicious combination. But you can use any kind of nut butter you have laying around. Or if you don't like peanut butter, just skip it. I just added a spoonful. Next, I'm going to add some yogurt. Now I have some plain vanilla yogurt that I need to use up. So I'm just going to add a couple spoonfuls of my yogurt. If you have flavored yogurt, you can use that as well. Or if you don't have yogurt, or you don't like yogurt, just skip it. Lastly, I'm going to add a little bit of juice. Now I have some orange juice here, but I've done everything. I've used pineapple juice, I've used apple juice, pretty much anything you have laying around. Sometimes I like to add ice to give it more of that iced smoothie feel, but my blender doesn't always like it, so you can definitely leave it out if you want. And sometimes I'll even add milk instead of juice to give it more of a milkshakey kind of vibe. You're going to make sure that your blender is on really tight, and you're going to, of course, have a grown-up help you with all of this. And you're going to blend it up. Check on it. That looks pretty good. So, all you need to do is pour it in your glass and enjoy.